Hi, I'm Amanda, and today I'm going to be reviewing Premier's Just Chenille yarn. I first found this yarn about a year ago at Dollar Tree, and I've been, no pun intended, hooked on it ever since. So let's talk about the yarn. You may have heard of it because it's sold at Dollar Tree, went kind of viral I think, but did you know you can buy it online too? And no, it's not those weird Amazon links that'll pop up. Go to premieryarns.com and search Just Chenille, you'll find it. It's not sponsored by any way, I'm just talking about the yarn because I like it. So the cones that you can buy from Premier Yarns are equivalent to 20 of these. So if you maybe buy some at the Dollar Tree and realize you like working with it, then you can stock up big time online. Honestly, a little bit better bang for your buck that way too. So price wise, it's $1.25 per 60 meter ball at Dollar Tree. From Premier's site, it's $24.99 for 1200 meter cone. And this yarn is 100% polyester, which means it is machine washable as well. This is a great plus in my book because I make a lot of plushies, and especially when they're going to kids, they get dirty real fast, so you want to be able to wash them, right? And then the size of the yarn, it is super bulky, size 6. 8mm hooks or knitting needles are recommended. And I've been playing around with like different sizes of hooks. Personally, I usually use a 6mm hook. It gets the stitches a little tighter and I just like how that looks. So feel free to experiment with different hooks or needle sizes as you get more comfortable working with the yarn. And with all fluffy yarns, it can be tricky to see your stitches. So if you're new to crocheting or knitting, you might want to wait until you've developed your skills a little bit further, just to avoid having to frog your work over and over and over again. Trust me, I learned it the hard way. Oh, and on that note, leave a comment if you want me to make a video about like crochet basics. I don't know how to knit, unfortunately, but I have been crocheting for about a year now, so I'd love to share what I've learned with all y'all. Alright, back to the yarn. I mentioned it comes in 20 colors. Yes, 20 different colors. At my Dollar Tree, they usually put them out seasonally, so like spring gets the pastels, fall is more like jewel tones, summer is like bright, vibrant neons kinda. But online at Premier's site, you can buy any of those 20 colors year round in the cone. So what sort of projects can you make with this yarn? Well, honestly, you can make whatever you want. Any pattern you find, you can use this yarn for it if you want it to be soft and cozy. So far, I've made a lot of scrunchies with it, a lot of amigurumi, beanies, even made a top with it, but that top no longer exists because I frogged it all to turn it into a snake. Options really are limitless, so if you want to make anything soft, plush, velvety, this yarn is the way to do it. Once you're finished with whatever project you've decided to make, secure the ends by removing some of the fibers, some of the fluff from the inner like threads. There should be 2 of them. Tie those 2 threads in a double knot, and then to make it extra secure, put some fray check or some craft glue on the end to keep it from unraveling at all. And make sure you weave in your ends really well, because since it's fluffy, it's easy to like pull at them accidentally, so just cover your bases. Luckily, I haven't really had any issues with the yarn falling apart on me. I've heard some people have, but maybe I just got lucky. But with any chenille, that's just something that can happen with it, really. And I think that's everything. If you still have any questions about this yarn or crochet in general, let me know. I'll do my best to help you out. And as always, thank you for tuning in. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!